If you've ever installed Kdenlive in FreeBSD, you'll come across this problem of missing ffplay. In this video, I'll show you a quick way that you can put it onto your system. Luckily, it's not that difficult to put it into FreeBSD. You just need to change to User, Ports, Multimedia, then ffmpeg, because that's what you need to compile with your own custom settings in order to include STL so you can have ffplay. Make config to change the default settings. And we'll just scroll down to where it says STL. Now, on your first go of this, STL shouldn't have a cross there. It isn't this because I've already done it before. So put a cross there, select it using spacebar. Then save, press OK. Next, make install clean. Now, the chances are that your particular session will pull in a lot of extra files. In this one it won't because, like I said, I've already done it before, so everything's already been downloaded. So it'll go through its various compiling stages until you get to the end. There we go. And you want to make deinstall because it's already installed. If it's already installed. Then make reinstall. And it should install into your system now with the option for STL included. And with it, ffplay. And there we go. Now if we just put where is ffplay, and it's telling it in its user local bin, and that should be now accessible by Kdenlive. So if we go to Kdenlive configure, go down to environment, and there it is. Look, you can, if it's not there, you can just fill it in, just put USA local bin ffplay, but now you can include it. And that's just a quick and easy fix for missing ffplay. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Well done if you've made it to the end of the video, and if you've found it useful in any way, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to make sure you don't miss future videos, then please click the subscribe button and the notification bell. This helps the channel grow so that I can keep on making content that helps the FreeBSD community grow as well.